Welcome to our words of elegance, history, and culture, the beautiful land of Myanmar, where fashion meets tradition through the timeless charm of Myanmar dress, also known as the Myanmar traditional attire. From the gentle flow skill to artist embroidery, every thread of this dress tell a story of pride, beauty, and heritage. The Myanmar traditional dress, now locally as for men, has been a symbol of national identity for centuries. The women's vision, often called hetman, is just not clothing, it's a piece of art crafted with love, passion, and incredible skill. The Myanmar dress blends simplify and elegance, whether it's worn at wedding, culture, festival, or everyday life. It reflects the modesty and grace of Myanmar dress. The modesty, the grace, soft skill, handmade cotton, and natural dyed create rich tones. Green, ruby, red, each color inspired by Myanmar and tradition. The top part of the outfit now is the pair perfectly with the two cutter. They form a complete look that highlight both tradition and modern charms. Women often complete their outfit with delicate on their cheeks are traditional natural cosmetics that add glow and fragrance. Our time the Mamadas have plots. Designers have added a modern twist, intricate lace border, sparkling and stylish skirts. Yes, the essence remains the same. Culture, beauty, through generations. Each region Myanmar has its own style of moves. Soft floral pattern inspired by the peaceful water lilies in royal design with gold threads embroidery dominates stage and nobility in young women love to mix traditional fabric with modern fashion, creating a trend that the past and the present. Every Myanmar dress is made with dedication and skill. Spend something weeks crafting a single piece. The weaving process seems slow but soulful. Done are handloom that have been used for centuries. It's more than fashion, it's heritage in emotion for special occasion like women. The finest Myanmar dress, shimmering their hair each look celebrate femininity, grace, and culture pride. The beauty of the Myanmar lies not only in how it looks but what it represents respect, tradition, and unity it connects. From grandmother who were hand tied cotton to modern women's wearing designer skill today, Myanmar designers are taking this traditional style to international stages. Models proudly walk runway in Myanmar, dress bringing Burmese culture to the world. Each outfit a reminder or heritage.